Power of RPA YouTube channel. If you are a beginner, if you want to learn any RPA tool, then this channel for you. So today we are going to discussing about how to copy move files from one folder to another folder. While copying the file, moving the file, how we can do renaming. Today we are going to discussing about this part. So before going to the automation, I will cover that folder structure. If you are going to implementing into real-time process, that time we have to manage folder structure and create a file, or what are the best practices available in your document. That thing you follow. So I created one main folder data. Inside that I am keeping all input output template files. So input file means whatever input we have, we will copy and paste into here, or else we will download from some web application. We will keep it into inside input folder. So once the input folder process is done, then we will save into our output. If template folder means in case we have macros or any other particular customized template for particular process, that thing we will put it into inside templates. So today let's see how we can do copy, move, rename the files. So before that I have created one simple jammer for learning purpose. Okay, so this you can implement your real-time scenario, whatever you want to do, copy or move, rename. Okay, so first what I did, I took one assign activity. I created one variable. In that variable I have passed my source path. Indirectly I have passed my destination path in move activity. If you want to overwrite this file, you can overwrite. Then copy file activity also same. So I passed the same input file path, source path, then destination path also same. So how it will works? Let's see. See, I am going to deleting this input file. I am creating two files. Okay, one is txt 123. Okay, another one is word document 1 2 3 4. So both I am keeping as 1 2 3. Okay, I'm keeping as 1 2 3. So we have one rich text document and we have one txt document. Okay, so here I have mentioned txt document. Okay, so while moving the time, I have to rename it 1 2 3 4 document file. While copying that file, I am renaming into 1 2 3. So let's see how bot is performing. So always, if you are a beginner, try to do in debug mode. Then you will get to know in case we are getting any exception or bot is stopping anywhere, what is the error, how we can resolve that issues. That thing you can easily understand from output pan. See why it is stopped here, because I put a breakpoint. So now bot execution is started. So again I am adding breakpoint here. See, click and continue. Now move file is done. See, in input file we don't have that txt file. Okay, so it's moved into output file successfully. Okay, so So you can see this txt file I am saving into 1234. Now I deleted that file. Now I am deleting this file also. Okay. So copy file, how it works. Okay. See, we have rich text document only. So we are reading only txt file. Okay. So 123. Now copy file, how it is working. Let's see. See, button is completed. Now we are going to folder. Inside folder templates input file, we have that txt file as well as output also. It is converted into 123. See, our extension is, sorry, renaming concept is 123. So let's see how you can do this in once again. So I am commenting out for this. Okay, so or else I will delete. See, first, what is the sequence name? Copy, comma, move, and renaming the files. So I am adding one assign activity. In this assign activity, I am creating one variable in input file path. Okay, so here I am passing the input file. Okay, so as I said earlier in my previous video, so if you want to copy that file whole path, shift right click, copy as a path, then directly paste it. So now see, we have source path. Okay, now I am adding copy file activity. So in this copy file activity, I am passing that input file path. I want to overwrite in case same file is available. I have to overwrite it. So I am passing that output file path directly here. So I am deleting whatever the existing files is available. See. While copying the txt file, I have to rename it. Which format I have to rename it? Like let's say 1234 dot docx docs. Okay, document format. So moving file. So while moving the file, same input file path I am keeping, and destination path also same. So here I am doing that renaming is power of RP docs. Okay, we will check input file we have or not same format. Yeah, we have txt file. Okay, input folder. See, inside output we don't have any folder. Okay, so let's debug it. See, bot run is successfully. Okay, So if you are copying that file, that time that input file and output file also will be available. If we are moving that file, that output file only available in an output folder, because in input folder, whatever files we have, that we are moving into our folder, output folder. It will available in output folder only. So today we discussed about how we can copy that file, how we can move that file. So while copy and moving the files, how we can rename it. If you are having any doubts, if you need any clarification, feel free reach out to us. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel, give likes, and come if you have any suggestion, comment in comment box. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video.